shit.
I told you wanted thread.
I can only deal with what I've got.
Why didn't you have thread?
You were in charge of logistics. Where's the cotton donut?
You want
So
thread?
you give these women like a little job, like a 5-minute job, look.
No, you weren't prepared. You didn't have the stuff here for me. Don't blame me. Gone quiet, Val, isn't it?
Because they stopped working.
No,
So I get
I
whip out.
with the cotton, it's just annoying when the cotton.
You want thick thread,
Eh?
You want
thick
thread, eh?
thread,
Anything.
which I got.
No, you want
You
industrial
might
thread.
be threading it through the hole the wrong way.
I'm going out for a
He's
fag.
not even looking. You just had a fag.
I'm going out for another one. I'm listening to all this, you know, and she's taking photographs of it all.
No, I'm not. Am I, Val?
No.
Not much.
She's filming. She's not taking photos. She's filming.
All right, film it.
Concentration on his face now.
You me?
Yeah.
Does my tongue hang out when I concentrate? You just watch
Well,
this.
do you want me hold that
Yeah,
then? You
please.
can't manage on your own.
I can't.
No, he's his dad.
Come on, Dad.
Is it broke again?
Why is it
Has
breaking, Mummy?
Because it's not in right, most probably.
Oh, I know.
How do I
You
set-
put it on there.
No.
Yeah.
Does it go on there?
Yeah.
It does go on there, doesn't it?
Go in
How
there.
come you knew it had to go on there then?
Because you saw you take it off.
Because I saw you take it off.
Yeah, right.
Go back there, yeah.
I like the pinky.
What?
The pinky.
Pinky.
Yeah, when the pinky come out, just saying, look, there it goes. See?
Oh, just. We had to have the pinky out the other day, didn't we? In Windsor, we were bloody having tea with the Queen
We
nearly.
were. Well, we didn't get a cup of tea though, did we? We would have had if she'd offered. But